Guys, I am sure you heard by now AI has taken over everything. If you're in 2025, guys, if you're in 2025 and you're still using Metro 2, factual dispute, you're using manual credit repair, or you're using manual methods to repair your credit, guys, that is so 19 forever ago. Guys, listen. AI has changed the game on how we repair, rebuild, we restore credit. You remember when you used to use all of those gurus credit repair software, how you would be restricted with dispute letters? You have to buy more dispute letter, or you've maxed out on dispute letters for the day. Well, guess what? AI has changed the game, guys. You now have unlimited ways to generate tailored disputes to your situation. AI, AI, AI. So AI, consumer law, human intelligence, and case laws completely have changed the entire game. If you're still using old you're using identity theft reports, you're using human trafficking reports, you're using credit sweep. Guys, if you're still using old outdated methods that's going to get you thrown in jail, right? You're doing yourself a disservice, guys. AI is the best, the most accurate, and the fastest way to fix your credit. Here, what? This is what I'm going to do. Completely free. Completely free. I want you to click the link below. Completely free. Click the link below. Try out these prompts. Start repairing your credit, guys. I'm going to show you guys how you can become an expert yourself. You do not need a credit repair guru. You do not need an expensive credit repair software. You don't need outdated templates. You do not use generic templates. You do not need any human trafficking. You don't need none of that stuff, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to give you completely free some prompts that you can use to start repairing your credit today. All you got to do is click the link below. I'm going to see you on the inside. AI has revolutionized the game. I'm here to teach you guys how to use AI, consumer law, human intelligence, and case laws to fix your credit.